It's always impressive when the crane's here before the operator. So we got about 20 trees today, mostly pitch pine, a few hardwoods around. We got a couple oaks right here, a couple small ones right there. See how the Hitachi likes a cold start this morning. Like a champ.
I'm gonna hook it right about where my feet are. Sucks. What day is that? Tighten it up.
We should have enough guys now.
I stole these.
What's that?
The hole in my thumbs yesterday.
Bowden wanted to wear them. I was like, you can, but they're a little big, buddy. This is the access trail we're gonna use to be able to access the backyard, which will be nice, save a lot of time instead of going over that septic. So we'll probably do that tomorrow or the next day. We got Doug here on the crane. He has his own tree service. They come and help us do work when we need crane work done.
3-part line.
30,000 pounds from right there.
Replace all
Well, we should have just picked all 3 of those then at the same time.
no more when it changed?
I would use either way. That's just what they had on.
Pretty good so far. I think we got 3 or 4 trees left. They have a bunch of trees on the left side of their house. I think we might be able to pick 1 or 2 of them, but we're probably just gonna come back another day at some point because they have a bunch of other trees that they want down along with it, so we'll just make a day of it. But headed to bring some chips to the mill. We'll see you guys there. Just pulling into the sand pit where we dump chips. I already dumped 1 load earlier. This one will be a little bit bigger with the bigger trailer.
they come.
I'll send you a picture of it.
The new one's different, just like snaps over. Is it made by Notch?
Yeah.
Snaps, puts a hole right through the pavement.
Quite cold. Something's cracking.
Wow. 12:35. I think we've done 12 or 14 trees. Beautiful. Job's all done, piled up, chippers in front of the excavator. We got a job right down the road we're doing tomorrow. He left his crane here, so we'll take care of that tree with the crane hopefully tomorrow, and we'll be done with her.